Alright guys, welcome back. It's Hundley TA. It is Tuesday and we're back checking out SPY today. Yeah, so we pretty much guessed this is gonna dump from this zone here. Made a pretty clear downtrend. Tested this zone like 3 or 4 times. So yeah, it's on its way down. Gonna hit this zone next. You could think about taking long there, but yeah, I mean, the thing about this zone is you've had several dips beneath it at this point, so I don't know how much faith you want to put in that zone, but yeah. In the meantime, we're headed down. You could go down on one of these smaller time frames and see if there's a zone you could place a short at. That's probably what I would do. But yeah, it's dumped so much. I don't know if it's gonna come back to like this. I don't know if there's something like here that makes sense. I don't know, but yeah, that's where we are with SPY right now. We're gonna jump down into Bitcoin. And seems like Bitcoin's kind of following along a little bit with SPY. Has a similar setup where it's been testing the zone for past few days, past week or so. However, this structure looks a little more bullish to me than SPY's, so it might be down today, but it's probably going to come down and test some sort of zone like this one, or something, and I'm thinking it'll probably bounce back up and eventually break the zone, but I don't know, we'll see. It's hard to say for sure. Zcash, I did put this trade in. I wasn't super sure about this break. You know, it wasn't that convincing. It is dumped down into drawdown, but I felt like this was a good zone to take a trade at. So we'll see if this just kind of hangs out in the zone for today and then finds some sort of momentum tomorrow or something. We'll see. On to Forex, Euro CHF. This thing just bounced at the same zone it did before. It's super annoying. This keeps happening to me, but it's another one that probably would have exited at a 1-to-1, just barely. It's another thing that keeps happening to me too, so I'll have to look into seeing if that's something I want to start doing on my trades or not. So far, seems like half and half that if I would have done 1-to-1, like half of them would have just stopped out otherwise. And then there's another half that I keep it at 1.25 and it eventually hits that target. So it's something I'll have to decide for the future eventually. But yeah, GBP CHF, this one was struggling to hold the support, but I think GBP must have got some good news for them today or something, because they've been popping off on all their charts. Opened up some opportunities I'll talk about in a bit. But anyway, luckily this one exited out in profit, so I'm happy about that. GBP, JPY, unfortunately this one was a loser, but did open up this opportunity to long here, so I did have that trade in place. USD JPY, this one was a loser as well. Hard to say if my stop was just too tight or if it is breaking the zone, but we'll see in time, I guess. Euro CAD, this one almost hit my stop there, but luckily turned right around and is hopefully gonna hit my profit target. Entity CAD. This one hasn't even been entered yet. It's on its way down to it. Euro AUD. I was waiting to get in on this long once again, but it turned right around. We'll watch if it heads up to this zone. Might hit a short there. So AUD NZD. This one's a new trade, so not much to talk about there. Just a break and retest. GBP AUD. Another GBP that just shot off. Broke this resistance zone. Hopefully we'll come back to test the support, and I'll get on along. This one here I'm watching, it hasn't quite closed over that zone yet. Got 3 minutes too, but even if it closes like right there, I don't think that's a good enough of a break. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, lots of GBP stuff today. Seems like there's like some sort of news that made it go crazy. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you guys have been trading, and yeah, hit that like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks.